Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing video for EV charger. Hopefully it can help anyone who are interested in this. I've already taken everything out from the box. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, let's see what we've got today. So these are two manual books. This one is for EV charger installations and another one is for DLP box instruction. And also, let's take a look at the hardware for installations. We've got a mounting bracket and two small tiny packs of fixings and drywall anchors. Now take a look about the anchors. Well, I can tell these are good qualities. They are solid and well constructed. And I think what you're gonna do is like simply drilled the recommended size of a hole and use these anchors to help this bracket to hang on the wall successfully. And now we have this cable gland here to secure the end of the cable. And also we've got the DLP box and comes with a tiny small cable. So the DLP function ensures the dynamic balancing of the home loads to prevent overloading the main breaker. So if you don't know how to install, there is one DLP instruction book that for you to further clarify. And also we have two RFID cards to activate the charging session very quickly. Now let's take a look at the main unit. Well, this is a 7.4 kilowatts AC EV charger from BENY Electric. I like this silver and black sleek design. It was 16 centimeters wide and 38 centimeters tall, capable of a generous 32 amps output at 220 volts. So, and now, let's take a look at the cable. Well, the cable length is 16 feet. If you need extra length, you don't have to worry about this because the cable length is customized. So now let's take a look at the charger handle itself. Well, it was solid and with the brushy texture, so it won't be easily slip out of your hand. And as we can see, it's a typical Type 2 connector, which is suitable for most EVs in the UK and Europe. And also, they offer the G7072 connectors as well, which is available in North America. Also, there was really good design. They have the rubber holster to well protect the connector when you are not using it. Now let's take a look at the sides of the EV charger. There are two buttons. This one is emergency stop button, which means you can power down the device very quickly in case of any emergencies. And this small button down below is a leakage test button, which means you can do the leakage test before you start charging. And there was a hole at the side down below the button, which means you can insert this charger handle like easily when you are not using it. And when you want to take this out, just do a little twist, and twist a little bit, and you pull it out. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.